Today I'm showing you something that's changing the game for creators, designers, and visual storytellers. And honestly, it's one of the most powerful updates we've seen yet in ChatGPT. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. Ready to unlock your creative side? Let's dive in. Let's keep it simple. You can now upload your own sketch, even if it's just a rough doodle, and ChatGPT will turn it into a polished image. Upload your image. Now let's look at a detailed prompt. Turn it into a realistic image of a perfume bottle with clear glass, light pink liquid inside, and soft reflections. Okay, check that out. The way the light is hitting it, the soft shadows. It took that simple drawing and just brought it to life. That's incredible. Now let's dive into one of the most advanced tools, cross-image identity fusion. With this, you can combine features from two different photos. For example, take the face and lighting from one image and the pose, outfit, or background from another. Upload your images. Here's a quick example. Take the expression and soft lighting from image A and combine it with the full body pose and outfit from image B. Okay, wow, see that? It kept the smile and warm vibe from the first image, but placed it onto the pose and outfit from the second one. The potential here is huge. Want to get really creative and mix two totally different photos into one single cohesive scene? With this tool, you can upload two completely different images and ask ChatGPT to blend them into one single, creative scene. Try a prompt like this. Blend this photo of a person walking with an umbrella into the middle of this neon-lit city street at night. Make it look like a cinematic moment, moody and dramatic. Look at that. It feels like a still from a movie. Next up, style transfer. And honestly, this one is just so much fun to play with. You can upload any photo and instantly transform it into a completely different artistic style. Drop your image in and use this prompt. Turn this photo of a child playing with a toy into a 3D cartoon-style image, inspired by Pixar films. How adorable is that? It totally captured that playful, polished Pixar vibe. The colors, the eyes, it's spot on. Or this one, just upload your photo and use this prompt. Transform this mountain landscape into a dreamy Studio Ghibli-inspired painting. Oh wow, that's beautiful. We've all been there. You find an old gem of a photo or grab a screenshot, but it's frustratingly blurry or pixelated. Good news! ChatGPT can now help sharpen those images significantly. First, upload your image, then try this prompt. Upscale this photo and enhance the details. Make it look clean and professional. Huge difference. Look at that. So much clearer. The details are back. What if you could take one photo and turn it into multiple moods? You can change the lighting, time of day, or even the season, just by describing it. Upload your image, try this prompt. Take this daytime beach photo and turn it into a nighttime scene. Instant night, just like that. It completely changed the feeling of the image. Or how about turning spring into winter? Let's try it on this garden photo. Sample prompt changed this springtime garden photo into a beautiful winter landscape. So cool! Need to add butterflies to a photo? Or remove something distracting in the background? This new feature lets you edit your image by simply describing the change you want. Upload your photo and write this prompt. Add a group of small glowing butterflies fluttering around this person. There they are. How cute is that? Or maybe we need to clean this up. Upload a photo. Here's a prompt you can use. Remove the background completely and replace it with a misty, enchanted forest. Gone! And look at that forest. No Photoshop needed. Just describe it clearly, and you're good to go. Business owners, this one's for you. You can now generate product mockups from your logo or item photo in realistic scenes that match your brand vibe. Show this logo printed on a white ceramic coffee mug. Ooh, yes, that looks so high-end. And that's just the beginning. With a little creativity and the right prompts, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. See you